Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get a gorgeous modern holiday glam look in taking you from drab to fab. Okay, so with the holidays coming up, you want to get a really gorgeous look, but you don't want to spend too much time. That's definitely me. So I'm going to show you guys how to take this kind of loosely dried hair and turn it into really glam waves with just a couple steps. So we're going to start by using the beach waver. This is a 1-inch curling iron. This is the S1. So what you're looking for is a little bit of a tighter curl. That's why you want to go for the standard 1-inch size. And then I'm going to use just a brush and some hairspray to show you guys how to simply brush out your curls and turn them into modern glam waves. You want to create a nice part, whatever that is, and then what I like to do is separate it, bring it all forward, and I like to treat it as the left and the right. So this is the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. It also has a strengthener in it. I love modern products that really kind of give you a little bit extra. So what this is doing is protecting the hair up to 450 degrees. So if you're using a flat iron, a curling iron, it's really great. And all you have to do is mist it. So once I've prepped that, I'm literally gonna take about 1-inch by 1-inch sections, starting at the back, and like you can see, it's only left and right. And what I'm gonna do is take the curling iron, and what the difference here between a beachy wave and like a modern glam wave is that instead of holding it vertical or wrapping it or beach waving it up like this, I'm actually gonna roll it under. You're gonna place your hair in, and then I'm just simply tapping that arrow and rolling it under. So you guys can see, it's just as if I'm doing a hot roller, but you don't ever have to touch the iron. And then just continuing by taking these sections, clamping at the bottom, rolling under. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is allow these to cool. This is a very important step because when your hair is warm and you start to run your fingers through it, you're actually pulling out the curl. So you wanna make sure you allow these to cool, don't touch them yet, and then we're gonna do the other side. If you have hair that holds a curl, take larger sections. If your hair doesn't hold a curl and it's really fine and you're like, oh, my hair would never look like that, it would fall out after 20 minutes, you wanna take smaller sections. So that will determine how tight the curl is and how long the wave lasts. So now that I've curled all of my hair, I'm gonna do the brush out. I'm gonna spray the brush. Then I'm just gonna take it as if it was a ponytail and I'm gonna brush it all together.